All right, guys. So another pretty narrow range day. I've been talking about the last several days on the overall market, the SPY. But that's why we start with a list of stocks that are in play. We add gappers in the morning, and then we're looking at hopefully a bunch of in play stocks and at least can catch some trades. Let me slide this over real quick. This is for newer members. Pause the video, read it. Great description of what we're all about. I'm going to throw this up there for you guys playing along with me on my morning experiment, right? DKNG. I was on the mic and mentioned DKNG hitting our famous yellow line, right? Right there, and said it's meeting those parameters of the experiment I've been working with, and that literally was the low of the day. So if you're playing along with that, there's a great example today. I gave the idea over the mic. Let me give a couple hat tips here. Robert H.A. gave us OCTO. And let me see. Let me go to 5-minute candles. And it was at 379, which was literally right at the bottom of this candle. Again, you can't see it here. I'm not going to go. I'm just not going to waste too much time. I've got somewhere to be. But if you add pre-market on, you'll see exactly why he posted that idea, and it went up to 486 from there. And you know what? I had a couple others I was going to go into, but I got a bolt. So let me go into what we're watching for tomorrow. LSPD. Hold on. I got 5-minute candles on. All right, so there's the daily. Big breakout on them, I guess, allegedly putting themselves up for sale. I had a nice trade in this one. We're going to definitely watch it tomorrow. DJT had pretty good volume today and did give us a nice bounce. Definitely goes back on watch for tomorrow. DKNG did gap up, closed about where it opened, but still kind of a little mini breakout there. Maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. OKLO. I'm going to put these three back on watch. The three mini nuclear power plays. This one isn't exactly a clean chart setup, but I'm just putting I'm keeping the whole group on watch. So OKLO, NNE, and SMR. And SMR, by the way, with a nice rebound today and closing near the highs. So anyway, that space still has me really interested. RKLB, nice breakout today. We'll see if it gives any kind of follow-through setup. TNON. I was pointing out in chat today that every time this gaps up, you get a red candle. And I don't think I've ever seen a chart like this. Take today's candle out of it, and you've got, 3, 6, 9 red candles in a row. And that's not unusual for, a stock that's selling off every day. But this is with a lot of gaps up and gaps down. I mean, this is what you call a heavy stock. So today, it actually closed green finally. Topped out at 595. So I don't know. I'm going to watch that tomorrow because it held up better than usual, if you will. MNPR, nice pop today, flirting with new recent highs. MSGM, nice little mini breakout today, maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. I'm going to put Chipotle back on watch, which is CMG. It's still in that tight range. LUNR did give us a bounce today. I'm putting it on long watch tomorrow because, it's a strong stock. And then it came down to support and then put in a green day. So this one could certainly follow through tomorrow. BREA. I'm going to take that one off. Not in love with it. And when I put it on the list, it was kind of a solid green candle. Let's get rid of that one. Redfin, RDFN, is getting closer to remember I talked about right here when it broke above the recent high. So this was kind of the breakout candle. It's getting close to retesting that breakout level and the 20-day. So I'm putting that one on bounce watch again. Nova goes back on bounce watch. It's back down to support and OVA. LASE, which is a crazy stock. It had this climb and then erased it all in one day, and then this crazy climb, which really surprised me. And now you got 2 red days in a row, kind of getting into that buy zone between the 8 and the 20 day. So I am putting LASE on bounce watch because it is a crazy one. And then lastly, TBIO. Not a pretty chart, but as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 488 in after hours. They did have a headline in after hours. So we're going to watch that one. And also Micron, if you're interested, reported after hours. There's the daily chart. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 108 bucks. So certainly could spark all the semis and the whole market tomorrow. We'll see. But anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in pre-market as we build a morning gap playlist. All right. Have a good night.